Yeah, hello everybody. While I was programming a spreadsheet application for my bucket calculator, I wondered if it's possible to make a spreadsheet application for an Arduino, especially for this Arduboy platform. And the restrictions are tough, 28 kilobytes and 6 keys only. So here's the result, a spreadsheet. Let's enter a formula. An approximation for pi, for instance, 22, insert 22, insert the command enter, insert the number 7 and insert the command divide. So here we are, that's the approximation. Now let's make a reference to the cell. So enter the cell, shift refer to the cell A1, and maybe you would like to double the value of A1, so insert 2 and insert the command multiply. So that's a very simple spreadsheet. You can save this spreadsheet with save to slot 1, and maybe later on you can load this spreadsheet. But I would like to show you a more complicated spreadsheet like this one. So here's a function that squares the value of this cell and subtracts 2. So 5 times 5 minus 2 is 23. And you can find the root of this function when you refer to the function cell, the X cell and the command solve. But you can also, for instance, plot this function. So define the limits from -2 to 2, make the references, the 4 references and the command plot. And here you are and have the function plot of this function. So see more at my GitHub account and have fun with it, and bye bye.